This machine can produce up to 35 kilos of filled cannelloni per hour. Operation is full cycle, in which the crepe is produced and the filling distributed in a continuous flow. Using different nozzles, it is possible to control the formation of the filling and thus determine the diameter of the finished cannelloni. The cannelloni are automatically cut with a sharp knife attachment that determines the length. This machine can also produce tronchetti. Special versions of this particular model can also be supplied to produce cannelloni from flour dough. Cannelloni making machine with 4 heads. This machine can produce about 200 kilograms of cannelloni per hour and has the same characteristics as Model C2.